Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be checking out this AC cleaner. So the AC system starts to smell a bit. So the reason why you get one of these long nozzles is because you can feed it through where the AC vent is. And the idea is to spray it all the way down so it goes straight into where the AC normally comes out from. So we're going to use this AC cleaner today and see if it gets rid of any sort of odors from the AC vent system. So if you feed it through here, go right down the air vent. Spray it and a foam will create a foam. And you want to spray it until you can see a bit of foam come out. There we go. Right, it's a bit of a messy job this, so what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to feed the pipe through first, and then I'll connect it to the can. There we go, it's coming out the other side now. It's working good. Well, and as soon as you see it come out, you might want to stop because you don't want to make a big mess everywhere. Alright, one more to do on that side, and then we can do the rear ones. So again, feed it through, all the way in, as much as you can, and then attach the can. So what you're going to do is you want to feed this pipe through here. Okay, so you want to make sure it's open, feed it through, all the way in, and then what you do is attach the can. And put some. Okay, that one's all done. Now the only ones left are the rear ones. There's only two of the rear, so that's pretty straightforward. So again guys, you want to feed this one here, feed it right the way in, and there we go. You can see it coming out now. That one's all done. Right, we're going to do this front one more time. All the way in. Feed up can. And that wasn't meant to happen again. Alright guys, so we're done now. And as you can see, there's still white bits, the foam is still around. But it's going to make this slight noise, but that's normal. But the trick here is guys, don't turn the AC on. Leave this how it is, without turning any AC on, overnight. And by the morning, when you put the AC on, it'll smell cleaner and fresher. So that worked for me very well previously, and I should hope this will work as good. So one area that usually gets forgotten about when trying to clean the AC is actually where the air comes into the vehicle. And those are, for this particular car, it's here and over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray a bit of that cleaner into these air intakes, so we're cleaning from the inside at the start. Shake the can and then go for a good healthy spray. So take the can. Just give a bit more on this side. Alright, there we have it, guys. I've emptied the entire can out. Now, to make the best judgment, we'll give it 24 hours. I'll leave it in the car overnight. I won't put the AC on, and I'll give you my feedback tomorrow. Hey guys, it's been 24 hours now since we've put the AC cleaner in the air vents, and I can say it smells very clean. It smells a bit like hand sanitizer rather than a musty, dirty smell that it was earlier. So it's done a pretty good job, I'd say. This can on Amazon is about 12 or 13 pounds I paid for it. I'll put a link in the description, and I'll put a print screen of the listing on this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.